He was saved in a tent revival and walked the Sawdust Trail for salvation.
It's the one on the left-hand side.
Yes, ma'am.